having any sort of breakout or acne issue, this is the go-to recipe. About 10 years ago when I started eating this way, I was going through a serious detox and I had a lot of acne. I just completely flushed my body with foods like this for a couple of years, and then all my skin issues went away. Rosacea, acne. You can heal your body from the inside out, okay? And so this particular recipe is a little step forward on your path. So if you're dealing with any sort of skin issue, just know there is hope. We can do this together. Welcome to a new video. So today I will be sharing with you a super simple yet extremely powerful smoothie recipe. There's a reason why I've included each particular ingredient. So this is kind of like the ultimate anti-inflammatory, anti-acne, pro-glowing skin, pro-energy, pro-life, just pro-feeling good. This smoothie is super effective and powerful. Here's why. Because it contains the two particular foods that have the most benefit in terms of their nutrients, and also they're extremely high in water, so they're extremely hydrating. And often the reason why we can be low in energy is because there's a bit of dehydration going on. It's super easy to become dehydrated when not consuming foods that are full of water, full of life, like raw, living fruits and veggies. So this smoothie will taste very refreshing. I do have a particular suggestion if you're wanting something to add to it which will make it a bit more palatable, which is 0-calorie liquid stevia. That's a particular adjunct that you could include if you wish to this recipe, okay? But the three ingredients are cucumber, lemon, and lastly we have a bit of cayenne pepper, which will rehydrate once I add it to the smoothie. So the reason why I have cucumber and lemon here, these are the key ingredients. So cucumber is super powerful. It's so anti-inflammatory. It's extremely high in silica, actually. So silica is excellent for hair, skin, and nails. And the reason why I left the skin on is because this is where most of the chlorophyll is contained also. So the chlorophyll and the silica, all the benefits that nature wants us to consume to have the best health and the most vitality possible is actually contained within the skin. Next, we have 1 lemon. Okay, so the most nutritional part of a lemon is actually in the pith, the white part. So there's bioflavonoids in the lemon pith, and so for that reason I've left a large amount of the white part on, just because it adds a very distinct bitterness, and bitter flavors are really good for our liver, which helps to cleanse toxins and to just like keep the body super clean and happy and fresh. So first I'm gonna put all the ingredients into the blender. As I'm doing that, I'll explain why I'm adding cayenne pepper, because you're probably wondering, Chelsea, why is cayenne pepper in this recipe? Like, what nutritional value could that add? Well, cayenne pepper, when combined with lemon, is extremely effective at eliminating cellulite and also really good for burning fat. It's kind of like when consuming turmeric, it's best to have a little bit of black pepper just to enhance the absorption. So with a recipe like this, if we're really wanting to get results, because results ultimately are what matters, then I like to add a little bit of cayenne. So just a dash, and no water is necessary. The best water comes right from nature with fruits and veggies, high in water like this. Okay. To add a tiny bit of sweetness and balance out the bitterness from the lemon, because the white pith that I left on, it's extremely bitter. So I'm just gonna add a few drops of stevia. So I prefer this particular liquid stevia. The brand is Sweet Leaf And the flavor is vanilla cream. Ingredients look super clean, 0 calorie, it tastes good. It doesn't have a weird 0 calorie sugar aftertaste like some do. I really prefer this particular brand and flavor. I think that's the best. I've tried a few different ones. And that's super versatile as well for lots of different recipes. Okay, all done. Okay, so we made quite a bit. You can store this in a mason jar or another container in the fridge for up to 3 days because of the lemon, because there's citric acid in the lemon, which is a natural preservative. I will be drinking all this today because I really like results, and in order to get real results, it's most beneficial to kind of just go all in with whatever your goals are. Cheers to your skin goals. This is so good. It just tastes so incredibly refreshing. Definitely make this. You will adore this recipe and you will love the results even more.